My name is Lusanda Daiman. I am 34 years old. I was born and raised in Cape Town. I stay in Khayelitsha. I am an artist. I am a performer. I am a physical theater maker, a storyteller, a dancer, and a choreographer. I use my body as a tool to teach, transform, and transfer skills to the upcoming generation. I also use dance as a form of healing and therapy to myself and those who have no voice to voice out their ills. Coming from the township and being a black female artist, we face a lot of impediments and challenges which makes this industry more hard for us. Storytelling for me is more than just being on stage. It is connecting with my people and having courage to give hope through movement and dance. I recently choreographed a piece of work called Ababeke Nyawo. The piece is my personal story. It is about my relationship with my father. A lot of us had absent fathers. However, we have a different way of dealing with that trauma. And dance is my way of dealing with the trauma. I spend a lot of time moving, grooming the young ones because that's the only language I'm fluent in. One of my biggest dreams is to bring hope and direction to the youngest generation, to do my utmost best to take my responsibility in changing lives through art. I call it black pain because it's what I relate to as a young black female from the township. Community theater gave a chance to me to make my days better days. That is why it is, or I voluntarily give back to the township. I come from a large family that lacked communication, that denied children access to express themselves. Dance found me and taught me a lot. Dance is everything to me, or rather it has saved my life. I love performing because I find healing, I find recovery by being on stage.